Good morning, ma'am, and all my dear friends. Today I am here for a board presentation, and topic would be transformation of personality. Constant in change our life. Today I am going to talk about a transformation of personality. So let's move forward to personality. Personality means our thought, emotion, interacting with others, how people can change their life and as well as environment. So let's see. Transformation of personality means a light change, which is you can change your life by the help of these tips. So let's understand. Cases of personality transformation. First, life experience. You also had faces this kind of life issues like relationship and these things, friendship, all issues we have. We know everything. I don't know about your personal life, but is it happening with everyone? So life experience should be necessary. If you will have experience, only then you can change ourselves. And second thing is education. Why education is necessary? Nowadays, without education, there is nothing. And if you want to go any course, so you need higher qualification and higher education. Only then you can struggle. It is a word. Everyone want to earn money. If you want to earn, you should have good qualification. Only then you can struggle in the world. And the third is think environment. Why good environment is necessary? Nowadays, people what is doing? And you tell me, people are doing like monkey see, monkey do. They are doing, my friend is doing these things. I will also, they are consuming alcohol. I will also consume. They are smoking. I will also do. So it is a bad habit. And parents are not paying attention from that side. They need to wake up and smell the coffee. And fourth thing is self reflections. We can say self reflection is also necessary, like how we can improve ourselves. Why we are here? We all know why we are here. We are here for learning English. If we are not paying attention, if you want to achieve goal, you can do everything. You can get everything. Success is not easy. Everyone can, if it would be easy, everyone can take success. But it is not like that. You have to struggle. Only then you can achieve. And fourth thing is motivation, motivational goal. You all have planned for become anything. So you should have to do work hard. Only then you can get success. And now if we talk about of the how to transform your personality. Everybody want to transform your personality. I hope you understood the what is the meaning of transformation of personality. Personality mean our thoughts, behavior, and interacting with each of other. As I already mentioned about this thing, be open learning. While you are learning, you should open. If you are opening, like if you are learning English, you are here for learning. If you want to learn English, you should open. If you are opening, if you are facing, like I would like to explain by an example. If you want to learn English, you should give the time. If you are giving 1 hour, so you should have to give 2 hours. You have to increase. Like if you are listening again and again, your mind will be catch up. What is a thing? It is just a language. Everyone can learn it, but you have to do work hard. Only then it can be possible. And practice kindness is empathy. Why practice is necessary? I will explain. Practice is a thing you can achieve anything. You can get anything by the help of practice. If a person don't know how to drive, I also didn't know how to drive, but now I can drive because of the practice. If you are doing practice, you can get everything. Practice is also necessary if you want to learn English. So you need to hard practice. When I came here, I didn't know how to speak English, but how I can become, how I can speak. But I am not saying I am fluent, but I can speak because of practice. That's why we can say practice is a most important thing in learn anything. And now let's move forward to stay confident. So I would like to say why confident playing a very important role. Like I don't know how to speak, how to conversation each other. But if I am confident, so I will do. If I'm not confident, so I can't do this. If I will feel hesitate, so how I can write this thing and how I can speak. I can say that's enough for today. And the last would be develop good habits. You should forget bad habits. We all know, as I already mentioned about the life experience, and I would like to say few lines which is important for us. Nowadays, everyone can come in the relationship. They don't know what is relationship. They are just talking each other just 2 day and 3 days. But it is not like everyone comes in your life for some reason. Sometimes some come to teach you something. So maybe that was an experience. You can learn from. It will hard, but you have to allow yourself. You have to allow yourself and then move on with a smile. Am I right? And I think we don't have time for enough. I would like to end my presentation now. Thank you so much. I think